Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the recipe from South India. It's called Paniyaram. It's basically made with semolina and yogurt, but I didn't have this at home, so I'm using all-purpose flour instead. I'm using salt and some spices. I'll list down the ingredients in the description box below. I'll mix the dry ingredients and then gradually I'll keep on adding warm water so that the batter becomes light enough, not too runny, not too thick. Then I will add tomatoes, chopped tomatoes in it. I'll whisk everything together, a little bit of sliced chili, and in a separate pan I used oil. I have added mustard seed and cumin seed. I'm using some curry patta, that is curry leaf. I'll fry this for 2 to 3 minutes, then I'll add onions. I'll wait till the onion changes its color. I'll not burn it down, just a little bit, as you can see. Now I will add this mixture in the flour batter and I will whisk everything together until everything is combined. After mixing everything together, I'll heat the pan. I'm using this pan. I've ordered it from Amazon. You can order it from Flipkart or any online website. I'll just grease the pan with a little bit of oil. Now I'll gradually add the batter in it. The flame should not be so high because then it will get burnt and it will not be cooked from inside. I'm cooking it in very low flame. After pouring the mixture in the pan, I'll just cover it with the lid for 2 to 3 minutes, and then with the help of chopsticks, I'll flip the Panyaram upside down. Can you see the round shape? It's very cute. Then I'll just cook for 5 minutes so that it gets cooked from the inside. My Panyaram is ready. So the Panyarams are perfectly cooked. I'll just have it with mint chutney. If you guys like my recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.